Good afternoon, guys. I hope you have, so far we learned a lot of strategies, 3-4 speaker session. Ashok had a fantastic, innovative three sessions. So I'm sure everyone is enjoying the learning part. So since we learned that uh, derivative trading, options trading is the only way to make good money, we are here to learn strategy. But to execute, you need a stable platform as well. And stable platform, so 5Paisa, we launched our discount broking company at 2015. And so far, we reached here with our 3.6 million customers. So today, we'll take your 10 to 15 minutes. It's not a marketing presentation, but we are trying to explain what all things we have covered so far, what all achievements, what all things for a trader, whether he is a mediocre, whether he is a pro, whether he is a beginner. So we are here to serve each one of you, what all learning options available, what all API or other derivative features we have. So we'll talk on that. So consider this as a presentation which may be useful for you. And this is for all online users as well. They can also ask questions if they have any. So let me start with, so 5Paisa, we are one of the largest discount broker in the country. We have around 3.7 million customers with us. We have an Android app rating of 4.3. We have 1.6 crore our app users and around 7,500 crore asset under management. We are serving in all this. I'm sure you are aware about it. We are the listed broker. So for any traders, you need to have three things: trust, stability, and the speed, the functionality, the swiftness. So we are one of the listed broker backed by IIFL Group, which is more than 35,000 crores of company. So as a broker, we are one of the trustworthy broker in the country where you can trust on. Second, we have a support of 37 lakh customer who already customized with us and managing 7,500 crore assets. Next slide, please. So as I told you, today we'll talk about 5Paisa trading ecosystem where platform integrations and API will be covered by my colleague Mehul Jain. He is heading product over here and I am heading business. Sorry, I have not given my introduction. My name is Mayur Dedia. I am heading business at 5Paisa and my colleague Mehul Jain is heading product at 5Paisa. So Mehul will going to cover about platform integration and API, and on the pricing part, I will again come back. Mehul, over to you.
Thanks, Mayur. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm sure you'll be having a great time here learning. First of all, congratulations to you because taking out time on a weekend and coming out to learn, obviously to build your trading systems. So today, let me just first introduce myself. So I am Mehul Jain. I take care of product at 5Paisa. And one thing I just want to share before I start my presentation, we had done a lot of events in last 1 year. So we also do events as option convention, what we have branded it. And I have met a lot of traders like you, and I've understood what all the needs and demands or the pain points what a trader generally has. And looking at all of that, today I'm here to present one platform that we have built in last 1 year's time is what we call as FNO 360. So this is a platform that we have built. Lot of work and effort has gone behind this, and a lot of minds from you guys have contributed to build this platform. So we have branded it as FNO 360. Why it is 360? Because we have tried to cover everything, whatever an FNO trader needs on a day-to-day basis for trading is something that we have covered. So quickly taking through the platform, Harshal, if you can just move to the next screen. So this is the platform, how it looks. So the moment you type in fno.5paisa.com in the browser, you'll have to log in with your 5Paisa credentials. Once you have an account and you log in, this is the page where you land. This is the dashboard, what we call. It has got option chain on the left. Then there are charts around Nifty, Bank Nifty. And if you scroll down, you've got a lot more data around markets. Again, data like VIX, which people track it on regular basis. Then there is sentiment, stocks which are trending up, down. So this is just a dashboard to just give you an overall view what is happening on the FNO side. I just want to double click on the option chain. Again, I'm sure because you are option traders, option chain is one of the most important or highly used tool. So we've got a full view of option chain. One good part, I just want to cover something which are really interesting. Here you can track two option chains at once. So for example, if you are interested in Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can just add new on the top right, and at a point in time, you can see two option chains, all of which is just real-time streaming. And another important element, because I'm sure you as a traders, majority of the traders don't just enter into a naked strategy. They want to do multiple legs. So that we have made it easier. What you can do is you can select multiple contracts and build your strategy basis whatever strategy, be it straddle or strangle or even multi-leg strategies. You can just click, it will automatically select those contracts, and you can select from both the option chains. It's not like you have to select only from one. You can select from both, click on place order, it will automatically create all the list of all the contracts that you have selected, and with a single click, you'll be able to place the orders. So that's the beauty of the option chain that we have tried to build. Again, keeping the swiftness in mind, I'm sure pricing plays a very important role. That's the reason, we have built such feature which will help you execute your orders faster. So this is one feature which I wanted to talk about. Then lot of traders primarily want to trade. One of the most used strategy is, I'm sure a lot of would be using it, is straddle. So what we have done here as a feature, we have added a chain called straddle chain. Okay. So on the top right with the price, if you click select straddle as an option there, you will see all the strikes and the combined premium for those strikes, and all of which is real-time streaming. And the moment you want to, you have decided to place a trade or take a trade basis the straddle, you can directly click or buy or sell whatever strategy you want to place, and it will auto-select the contracts, and within again one click, you'll be able to place your strategy. So again, because this is also one of the feedback or one of the understanding we've got from these events, and basis which this was a feature which we have added. And one last feature I want to highlight here, though there are a lot of things I would request you to explore this, go ahead and use it, you'll understand. I want to just double click on one more feature, which is called smart strategies. So this is again a newly launched feature. So as a normal strategy, be it a predefined strategy basis a particular view, if you want to take that, you can do it obviously on this platform as well, where you can see the payoff graph. One just additional thing I want to highlight here, as a strategy, if you want to enter into a strategy, and along with that, if you want to place a target and a stop loss order. So it's kind of a bracket order for your strategy. You can do that here. So for example, if you want to enter into a bullish strategy called bull call spread, right? So that's what it is selected. And here you can define at what premium you want to enter into this strategy, and define the exit parameters also. So for example, if I enter into this strategy, and as I say, the moment I get 5,000 bucks of profit, I want to exit. Or if I say, in this strategy, if I make a loss of 2,000 rupees, I want to exit. You can do that here. It will automatically keep calculating what is the profit or loss you are making, basis which your strategy will get exited. So that's the beauty of this. So basically you are able to cover your strategy and let the system do the job for you. So this is another important element or important feature that we have added, I wanted to highlight. Likewise, there are many such features. With the limited time, I'll not be able to take you all. Our stall is there outside. If you want to know more about it, we can take you through the entire website. So this is about the FNO 360. Moving forward, sorry. Going back to the platforms. So like the way we have FNO 360, we have obviously mobile app. That is where our majority of the audience are there. We are continuously building a lot of features on this platform as well. Again, 1-2 features which I want to highlight. One is when you want to do your own research, when you want to know more about the stock, Here we have more than 250 data points for any stock. So be it fundamentals, technicals, the deals if there are any happening around the stock, the shareholding pattern. So many such data points are there for every stock. So you can do your own research on one single platform. You don't have to go to multiple platforms to do that. So that's something interesting. Then we have one-click login, again using biometric login. Again, that's not something unique that most of the apps already have. But yeah, security is something that we have taken utmost care there. So anything so another important, we also have got option interest charts, because that is something that may be relevant here. So if you are, I'm sure because option traders want to see the OI data, here we have tried to give that in a graphical format. I mean, just looking at one view, you will be able to get to know where the maximum OI is or where the lowest OI is, basis which if you want to take a trade, I'm sure it will help you to take that decision. So that's about mobile app. Then if you are full-time trader, if you want a proper trading interface, we have tied up with a partner called Quant Tower. So this is a platform also we have for you. Just two important features again I would like to highlight here. So if you are say trading on certain technical indicators, right? So here what you can do in the watch list, in the market watch where you track all your stocks, you can add technical indicators. So likewise in the market watch where you see bids, ask, volume, open, high, low, close, you can add technical indicators like say RSI, MACD and all of that. And on top of that, you can create an alert. So if you want to create or understand all the stocks which have crossed a particular RSI level, for example, it will create an alert and show you on the watch list. So at a glance, you will get to know what all stocks have crossed a particular indicator alert. So that's something interesting. Second, if you want to see charts for your strategy, for example, again, coming back to the same example, say straddle. If you want to see a chart for your straddle as a strategy, you can do that on this platform. So this is for those people who want to have a proper trading interface, and features like this, it can surely add a lot of value addition in your
Mehul,
trading.
one point. Talk about synthetic symbol as well. There are many people who create his own strategy. So explain about synthetic symbol as well, because that is also useful for
So
a
that's
trader.
what. So when I say straddle, so this is the feature what you use. So synthetic is, it can be any strategy. So bull call script, for example. If you want to know how it has moved over a period of time, so we're using the synthetic charts, you'll be able to see at a strategy level. So that's about Quant Tower. Then here a lot of algo players are also there who want to build their own logics and build their own algo strategy. Now, the moment you have a strategy and you want to push orders from there to our system, so that is where our APIs will come into picture. So we have an API ecosystem. So for you, there are primarily two main things in the API. One is to push order from your system to the broker system. That is where our platform comes into the play. Another important for you as an algo player, if you want to do some kind of back testing, if you want to understand how the strategy is working in your real markets, we provide live data, live market data, not only price related data, but also for options we give open interest data. So using this data, you can build your strategy, backtest your strategy, and from there, once you have built an algo, if you want to push orders from there, you can use our order placement API. And the most important, these APIs, we don't charge anything. They are completely free. We have done enough. We have put in a lot of efforts to, optimize it. And today, we are confident enough to say that our orders can be placed in less than 15 milliseconds. So if you place an order in less than 15 milliseconds, your order will be placed with the exchange. So that's about developer. Then, we have also tied up with a partner called Symphony. They have a product called as XTS. If you are already using XTS or if you are having a specific demand to have an XTS API, we already have a tie-up and we can expose these APIs also to you. Again, these are also free of cost. Then, if you don't want to build your own algo, but if you already have build your algos on any of these platforms. We have tied up with multiple algo platforms. You can use this platform, use the algos which are available there, and push orders directly from them. Just one important which we have added very recently is, I'm sure a lot of people would be using TradingView as a platform for charting, right? So we have built in a feature called TradingView webhooks. Okay, so on TradingView there is a feature wherein you can create an alert basis various technical indicators, but at that moment if you want to place an order, right? So for example, if it crosses a particular technical indicator level, if it crosses a moving average, just to take a simple example, you want to take a trade, you can do that. So you can again use our webhook APIs, integrate it once, and the moment the alert is triggered, your orders will be placed in 5Paisa. So that's about the ecosystem, the trading ecosystem which we have on 5Paisa. Then another platform that we have is Stockify. It's primarily a community for the traders. The way today we are meeting the traders, but today here we are just, as a physical event, we can have a limited number. But this is kind of an online platform. It's like a social media platform for all traders and investors. A lot of influencers, a lot of gurus are already there on the platform. You can follow them and primarily learn from them. So that's about Stockify. Moving forward, so this is the product. This is something you should pay interest on. Mayur will take you through how exactly this product works. So this is around the pricing. Over to you, Mayur.
Thanks, Mehul. I hope you got the short or very short understanding कि भाई हमारे पास what all things available we have. But please visit our counter. My team members Kalyani, Rakesh Sasmal, Harshal, Nisha are there to explain you what all queries you have. Now coming to the commercial part, as I told you, first is trust, second is stability or platform, and now third comes to pricing. Pricing plays very important role. Nowadays, many brokers make brokerage as a zero. But as per my view, zero has zero value. If everything goes on zero, nobody is account responsible. In Hindi, we mostly talk, अगर broker कमाएगा नहीं तो service क्या देगा? So simple, we charge, but we charge rational. I just trying to explain what all things we are able to provide you. So Margin Plus is the product where we allow user for 100% collateral. So if you have any collateral, we are allowing you to trade. No need to maintain that 50% cash. Currently, intraday is zero. But nowadays, we are facing some challenges that there might be possibilities that all broker may start. Till now, we are at zero cost. So you can trade with 5Paisa at 100% collateral. For intraday, it is zero. For carry forward, we are charging 0.03%, which is 10.95%. So which is currently lowest in the top brokers. So we are charging 10.95% per annum. The country's other broker or largest broker, they are charging more than that. So comparatively, you will get at a discounted rate. On MTF, we are charging 0.45% per day, which comes to around 16.82%, which is also lesser than the country's topmost broker. So on Margin Plus, definitely you will get leverage to trade. Moving to the next slide, we have a partner program as well. There are many people sitting over here. They came here as a mentor. They are already associated with us. They are AP with us. They are getting a good sharing on this. So similarly, if you are here and you have some friends who are doing good trading, so there is an opportunity where you can join us as a pro partner and you can earn 60% as a brokerage sharing. More detail, my team will able to give you on the counter. Moving towards the next part, which is the important, where I want to put a stress. I'll give this example with one good example. Today, everyone is charging 20 rupees per order for your FNO and options. So let's say if I am a trader like you, I will put at least 100 orders, or rather 20 orders a day. If I am a normal trader, I'm coming up with a 10 lakh, 20 lakh capital. I will put 10 buy orders, 10 sell orders. So 20 orders a day. There is a 20 trading days in a month. So it means I am putting 400 orders a month. So likewise, 4,800 orders for the year. 4,800 orders into 20, it means I am paying almost 96,000 rupees to a broker. With this plan, where a yearly we are charging 12,000 rupees, we are reduced the brokerage to 50% from 20, now it is 10. Then we are giving 100 trades every month free. So it means your 100 into 12 months, 1200 orders are completely free. So out of 4,800, your 1200 orders went free. Now 3,600 orders, you will going to pay 10 rupees, which is 36,000, and the 12,000 you paid. It means your cost is reduced almost by half. From 96,000, you are paying just 48,000. So you need to think on that it is your hard-earned money and you can increase your return by this amount, then you should look forward. You may have your different calculation, but the people who are currently paying 20 rupees, they can reduce to this 10 rupees with a more and more benefit. In this, you will get net banking charges free, you will get equity delivery free, but that is a secondary part. But for the traders like you and all online viewers who are looking at, they can reduce their brokerage by almost 50%, and that will save almost 50,000 a month. For any player or any intraday trader, it is important. For any other big partners or big players who is putting more orders, please visit us. We are here to give you customized brokerage as well as per your transactions. If you have more transactions, we will suit as per your need. On pricing, we are very flexible and we are here to serve you. Moving toward the next. So this is from our side. We would like to hear any questions you have about 5Paisa or what all presentations so far. I also wanted to say that we did 45 options convention event in last 7 months, and we have a traders like you. We went to all different city space and we got a lot of feedback. In last 6 months, many good feedback we have accommodated in our platform. So likewise, if you have any feedback on the product side, pricing side, operation side, customer support side, we are love to hear. Visit our stall and we are here to we are happy to hear you and will try to accommodate as per your need. I think that's all from our side.
Please visit us if there is anything. In the benefit of time, will not be able to take questions here. But if there is anything, please visit our stall. And one thing at last I want to just say, because we've done so many events, now we understand the traders' mindset a little bit, and the kind of platform that we are building, we are keeping traders in mind and understanding the swiftness, the security, the speed is something that will always be our focus, and because of which you will see such more features coming onto our platform. Thank you so much. Please visit us and to know more about us. Thank you.
You can download from this QR code. Thank you. Thank you, guys.